All right, friends, we're going to be classifying sentences from Chapter 2 of Shurley Grammar. These are sentences that I made up. They're not in your workbook, but we'll be adding adjectives and article adjectives to the question and answer flow. We'll also be separating and underlining the complete subject and the complete predicate. So let's begin with our first sentence. A tiny ladybug crawled slowly there. First question is, what crawled slowly there? Ladybug, subject, noun. What is being said about ladybug? Ladybug crawled. V for verb. Crawled how? Slowly. Adverb. Crawled where? There. Adverb. And I apologize that it's hard to write in this little spot, little space. What kind of, let's go back to ladybug. What kind of ladybug do we have? Adjective. And the letter A is an article adjective. Let's just review a little bit. Remember that adjectives answer the questions what kind, which one, and how many. And they always describe nouns, pronouns, most of the time nouns. And adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, and they answer the questions how, I'm just learning how to use this little pen and tablet, so please forgive me for my messy handwriting. Where. So adverbs answer the questions how, when, and where, just like your jingle says. All right, we've labeled all the words. Let's go to the blank in the front of the sentence and label the sentence pattern. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Subject, noun comes before the verb. Check. Let's go to the end of the sentence. We see a period. This sentence is a statement, so it's declarative. Period, statement, declarative. Now, the new thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the verb after we label our sentence pattern and our type of sentence. We're going to go to the verb, and we're going to separate the complete subject from the complete predicates. We're going to underline a tiny ladybug once. That's our complete subject. And we're going to underline crawled slowly there twice. That is our complete predicate. The complete predicate is the verb and everything that goes with it. All the words that modify it. Now you're done. Let's do the second sentence. Number 2, read it with me out loud. The sticky red popsicle dripped messily. Ask the question out loud with me. What dripped messily? Popsicle. Subject, noun. What is being said about popsicle? Dripped. Verb. Dripped how? Messily. Adverb. Let's go back to popsicle. What kind of popsicle? Adjective. Red. What kind of popsicle? Sticky popsicle. That's another adjective. And then the word the, we know, is an article adjective. We label it with an A. Let's label our sentence pattern, subject, noun, verb. Pattern 1, check. We're going to go to the end of the sentence. We see a period. This, again, is a statement, and it's declarative. Period, statement, declarative. Oops. You don't need to write all that. You just need the letter D. Now we're going to go to the where? Go to the verb. Good. We're going to go to the verb. We're going to divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. And we're going to underline the complete subject one time. That's popsicle and all the words that go with it. And dripped messily is our complete predicate. That's the verb and all the words that go with it. And now you're done. All right, we're going to go to the next set of questions. The exhausted mom slept soundly. Who slept soundly? Mom. Just make sure I have my pen ready to go this time. Subject, noun. What is being said about mom? Mom slept. Verb. Slept how? Soundly. Adverb. What kind of mom? Exhausted. Adjective. And the is an article adjective that we label with an A. Let's label our sentence pattern, subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Check. Let's go to the end of the sentence. We have a period. the whole sentence looks like a statement. So the end mark flow is period, statement, declarative. Okay, where do we go, guys? We go to the verb. Very good. Let's go to the verb. We're going to draw a line right in front of it to divide the complete subject, the exhausted mom, from the complete predicate, which is the verb slept and everything that goes with it, soundly. Slept soundly is the complete predicate. All right, let's see the last sentence real quick. Several very loud motorcycles zoomed past. Everybody say all the questions and answers with me, okay, out loud. Several very loud motorcycles zoomed past. What zoomed past? Motorcycles. What is being said about motorcycles? They zoomed. Verb. Zoomed where? Past. Adverb. What kind of motorcycles? Loud motorcycles. What kind of motorcycles? Or how many motorcycles, I should say. Adjective. And what about this word very? Does very describe motorcycles, or does it describe how loud they are? It describes how loud they are, right? So we know that an adverb describes other adjectives. So this is an adverb. This is a little tricky. There's a little tip. This word very, I think all the time it's an adverb. But just remember that when a word's describing an adjective, telling about how the adjective is being, then it's going to be an adverb. All right, let's do our sentence pattern, subject, noun, verb. Pattern 1, check. Let's go to the end of the sentence. We have another period, statement, declarative. Go to the verb, and we're going to divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. You can put your line there, or you can put your line there. You don't have to do it both places. You just want to divide that subject, noun, and that verb. All right, let's underline the complete subject once, and we're going to underline the complete predicate, twice. Zoomed past. And you are done. Good job. Practice, practice, practice. We'll see you in chapter 3.